Many people said global warming is bad for human, and how can we decrease in global warming?
Uh, the main problem for global warming is the increase in heat waves, changes in climate. You must have seen also in May we were facing heat waves like June. The summer we get to face in June, July, we were facing it in May only. Last year we addressed 52 degrees Celsius in Churu, right? Cheru, we have seen that.
Yes.
This year too we have seen in Kota also. I was there in Kota only, and I really just saw the people's condition who are working on the road. It was too much. Like actually that temperature was not that easy to be suffered. So increase in heat waves, problematic climates. In August we will be getting a lot of rainfall, which is supposed to get in July only. We get to face a lot of rainfall, high rainfall in July, but in August also there are the signs to get rainfall. It is because of climatic change, which is a cause of global warming. Another thing is increase in cancers, like rapid increase in cancers. Some people say that it is the side effect of that corona vaccinations, but still skin cancers are due to heat waves only. Like we get to have that UV rays from sun. UV rays, I tell you, I bet my words, UV rays are the worst rays, even worse than X-ray rays. Literally they are the worst rays, and they can just destruct your skin. A lot of people, like a lot of females I have seen, they are getting red patches. Even I suffered from that. I got to have my skin removed, getting removed all the skin from the face from this side because of heat only. And many, like a lot of cases, there are no counting of cases where they are suffering from skin cancer, and the main cause is UV rays only. It is just because of global warming. Because of global warming, the ozone layer that protects our earth from UV rays of the sunlight is getting depleted. It is getting removed from our earth. That's why uses and like if we want to just prevent this global warming, we need to preserve our fossil fuels. No use of fossil fuels, or lesser use of fossil fuels. Sorry, use fossil fuels when they are required, when you really require them, and to lesser the pollutions, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and any other pollutions.
Um, our earth is mixture of many gases, so and which gas is our good, and how can we get
Which gas will?
which gas is our good, and how can we
Every gas is
get?
important. As a science student, as a chemistry studying student, every gas is important. If we will get to have one gas depleted from our earth, if we will get to have one gas extincted from our earth, our life would not be same. Three main examples I will give you: CO2, O2, and N2. That is nitrogen gas. Oxygen, we all know, we require it for our life, and CO2 is also really important because plants just inhale them, and without inhaling of plants CO2 gases, we cannot stay alive. That is the main. N2 gas, nitrogen gas is now like it is taken very normally. Nitrogen gas is not that important, you all, but the packet of chips you get, when that is a meme nowadays कि chips के पैकेट में तो हवा भरी हुई आती है. Without that air, our chips will not be preserved from more than 5 days. एक नॉर्मल से लेस के पैकेट में वी हैव four or three bites of chips and a lot of gas. That is nitrogenous gas, which is used for preservation purposes, so that it can be eaten for a lot of time. We get to see that use before or best before this date, which is expiry date. It is expiry date of nitrogen gas only, because the potato chips it has really small time period of life. So all gases are important according to them.
How many is layer our earth?
Our earth has a lot of layers, but we cannot like name them. The main layer is ozone core layer, which is really important. There are atmospheric layers in the troposphere, stratosphere, and atmosphere, all these.